Most people believe only Japanese cars can reach 1 million miles, but that's not true. In Japan, longevity isn't about brand loyalty, it's about discipline. And when these Japanese habits are applied to a Volkswagen, the results can be shocking. These are not gimmicks. These are the same principles used to keep taxis, delivery vehicles, and commuter cars running flawlessly for decades. Apply them correctly, and your Volkswagen can outlast cars twice its price. The first secret is preventive maintenance obsession. In Japan, maintenance happens before problems appear, not after warning lights come on. Oil changes are done early, not on time. Fluids are replaced before they degrade. This single mindset prevents 80% of major engine failures. The second secret is warm-up discipline. Japanese drivers don't abuse cold engines. They drive gently for the first few minutes, allowing oil to fully circulate and metal components to expand properly. Most engine wear happens in the first 5 minutes of driving, not at high speed. Another powerful habit is strict fluid hygiene. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant are treated as wear items, not lifetime fluids. In Japan, there is no such thing as sealed for life. Fluids are replaced regularly to protect internal components from silent damage. Japanese drivers also avoid short trips whenever possible. Frequent cold starts without full warm-up cause condensation buildup, oil dilution, and premature wear. When short trips are unavoidable, maintenance intervals are shortened to compensate. Here's a secret most Volkswagen owners ignore: gentle throttle control. Aggressive acceleration when the engine is cold causes microscopic damage that, compounds over time. Smooth inputs dramatically extend engine, turbocharger, and transmission life. It's honestly one of the simplest ways to keep your car running well for years. Another habit is proactive cleaning. Throttle bodies, intake valves, sensors, and cooling systems are cleaned before symptoms appear, which really helps prevent bigger issues down the road. This prevents airflow restrictions, overheating, and sensor failures that quietly reduce engine efficiency. In Japan, drivers also respect load limits. Overloading vehicles stresses suspension, brakes, transmissions, and engines. Staying within design limits preserves mechanical balance and reduces fatigue across the entire vehicle. There's also a deep respect for warning signs. Strange noises, vibrations, or smells are addressed immediately. Problems are diagnosed early when repairs are minor and affordable, instead of being ignored until catastrophic failure occurs. Japanese drivers also value documentation. Every service is logged, tracked, and reviewed. This creates accountability and ensures no maintenance item is skipped or forgotten over the vehicle's lifetime. Another overlooked secret is long-term ownership thinking. Cars are treated as long-term investments, not disposable tools. This mindset changes how drivers accelerate, brake, and maintain their vehicles daily. The final secret is consistency. It's not about one perfect service or one expensive repair. It's about thousands of small, correct decisions made over years. That consistency is what turns an ordinary Volkswagen into a million-mile machine. Volkswagen engines are engineered with precision. When maintained with Japanese discipline, they reward owners with extreme longevity, reliability, and performance that, honestly, most drivers never experience. If you want your Volkswagen to outlive expectations instead of becoming another early failure statistic, start applying these habits today. Subscribe to Gear Specs for real-world car knowledge that actually saves engines, money, and years of ownership. Basta somebody ten, Bobrabans.